Rape. Katal ko kya? Hayda. Daily no khana usan. Every day at least kaisa rape case le changkhana khana. But recently Tripura kaitham rape cases in a row. No jato no shaima khana. News rogo no bitongna khana kana. Sanathang kai Tripura third smallest state. Happen as a rape cases asak kabangai tongo. Reason tamo. Once huna nangosam. Rape tabung shimiye. Different shimi borogo hasteo asai feka. Afron shimi nongai tong. Koraksano shamatung. You can't change the world. But I guess we can change what wrong is happening around us. At least we should give it a try. Sana thangang ke tosi ke kok kabang shalsa baisha se sabaiglag. But ang tini norok bay kisa short o no kogrok share khaina musu. Jeffrey Chung rape case ne khanao. Aro kaitham topic tong. First angka victim, je rape khlaizang nai. Second angka the accused or the culprit Jerip Kleinai or Kleinai rock. Third angka public, the society. Chun. I think the third one plays the biggest role. Ang puila no shana masong rape case of victim ni kuno chaya kare. Rape khlaizang nahi kuno chaya kare rape case because rape ni kuno criteria kare. It has nothing to do with nin color, what profession are you in, nang bo race, bo caste, bo religion na follow khai, tam kan, tam chum, tam koksa, bo hasteo tong. It has nothing to do with it. The sole and only reason rape case is the culprit's mind. Je rapist ni wan shugmo. Rape ni one and only sole reason ang kabi ni wan shugmo. The mentality of the rapist. And it doesn't go for any age, size, place, religion, caste or anything. Jeffrey rape angai thango chang wan sungna nango. Je rape khlaizang nai. Bo first the physical trauma te malayo, then the mental trauma. Am pore society go bona a place so beruwi ro bona place so asugre ro shana thang ke jizaga bu judge khaizago. So I think oro rape angai se thang ka hangke jengte kun climate it's already done. Chinia go kun kare je chang bona kifili asri rot lang thang mane jizaga bu normal feel khayana. But at least we can try. Being a human, I think it's right to do what is right for a human at least. At least chingamo to klaiman bile. But recently, what I have seen and heard, it's shocking. Chin borok, repo chin borok buni borok alka jagan borok hani kuno kari. Rape khlaizaka, je rape khlaizang nai tongo, je rape khlaika borok tongo. But azaga chini kok shathai, chini wan sukmong bahai amo bongno ba effect khayo, especially je rape khlaizang nai no. Rape ma pore first tamo ba. First angka, we have to look into their health care. First je rape khlaizang nai chang bona first health wise nai ruway, nai kolay, jinok ni borok help khaina nango bono. So that bo health wise recover khain thang. First bo health wise recover khai kan ke se nang bono mentally recover khai manani. Family ni support. It's so important. Am porichin society ni support. That is also important. Chingtini shenowi tongo rape cases count khaizaka 3 cases sangai thangka sab saimante bo kabang cases tong je registered ya je borok sana bagi nokori family bas kango reason tamo bachang we are the reason because we don't blame the culprit, we blame the victim. And actually the third point, society ni chini role no ang focus khaina masung tebo, because it's hard to see boro khorak sa ri phlai pai jagai boi bono bini mental trauma te bahai ke recover khaine help khaya woi te bosi trauma ro botangi thangka botang yakeng khamo bomti di kan yakeng khamo bo omti khai thangi paima bagino tini omti kha. So what would you say jefro 3 months ni charai rape like hibzago? What will you say jefro 7 years ni charai rape like hibzago? What will you say when a 65-year-old lady is raped? Or ni ri chuma kanma nang bor thang bufru thang shabo bai thang tangi thang matter khaya. It has nothing to do with whom, what, where. The only question here is why. Tangi rape khlai jang nai shana thangit nang chang ama chala rok bo saimano bore rok bo saimano chang kabang jaga no gunang nang lama te himi thang kang ga hordi boda chala rok himi thang tongu berayo, and it's okay. Nang chala rok no lama shuti ma shedin nung nai, and I think that's totally okay with the society, because bong na ke question khaya tangi because borok chala rok. Imagine the same bore rok bai Bohordi boro judi thangai himi tongka kun jaga lama borok kare. I know precaution nana nangu amana changno firang jago. Then what would you say JK so nijin nogono rape like hip jago? Tam precaution nana ya barera. Je jaga borok nijini kabang news ching nugui tongu. Recently Bishal Goro Jengmani was raped by her own father. Kabang jaga relative rape khai kabang jaga friend khai kabang jaga boyfriend khai kabang jaga husband bo khai rape. What will you talk about that? Kok shaka ke kok sabaya main kok khamano but am kasha kok no sana mo sungo rape angmani uklogo the sole and only reason is the mentality. Je rapist ni wanshung or a victim ni wanshung mong rikan mong chum mong bo color bo profession kun matter khaya. Rapist ni wanshung mong shimi se matter khayo bin wanshung mong shitra ma bagi simino rape ango te kono reason kari rape angmani. And what as a society jangta moklaiman we have to support chinis hamong kaishano chung as a society abarino support khainani, so that next time ke bu victim mang khake nogo kiri jage lachi jage I ano bahai ke no sawan hane asubita tongtha. Don't let that happen. Je ngi thanga chenga mon ki philir tuime at least jibas kango tamo phai tong tamo ngi man amono to salaiman ble ang tini norok bai asno kok shalaina mo sungu te kaise ko bang sana mo sungu last among kha. I think it's high time that we have to teach the boys, because we're done teaching women about precaution, dress, profession, timing and everything. I think chin farang mawa na chayang, and that is the reason it's still happening. We don't have to teach girls, we have to teach the boys.